Hello and welcome guys. Welcome back to Shopify theme development tutorial. My name is Rahul.
Hello guys, welcome back to Shopify Theme Development Tutorial. My name is Rahul and today I'm gonna discuss about customers activate account. So what is that? Basically it's a template which has been created in which customer would receive an email activation code. So it would be kind of an email just like the sample. So just double check this. That's how it would look. And on clicking on the activate your account link, um, it would open something like this. So in which the customer can set the password and confirm the password, and then the account would be activated. So we are going to create something like this. Uh, so let's see what we have in here. We have this main activate account template. We'll just remove everything just for now so that we are onto the base value. Then save it, and then what we are going to do is we are just going to uh, follow what we get from here. This is the form which has been provided. So we can use this form, then save it, and then we can simply preview it. And on preview, we can just preview this one. And again, we have this simple layout that was being designed in a better way, but that's how it looks actually. We can design it in our own way. That's again something related to HTML, CSS, or designing part, which I'm not going to discuss right now, but in future I'll be discussing onto that in detail because we would be designing complete theme from scratch, which would include sections and all other pages, inner pages also, even the even a proper dashboard for customer logged in. All right, so it's gonna be very exciting and you would love it actually. So yeah, that is it. I think so. Um, uh, yeah, that is it. And let's see what we have. We have this usage, how to use this. Pretty simple, straightforward. We have the input values in which we have the password, input type password, and the customer password. The name should be customer password, which is important because it passes the value through the post method and saves it to the server. Okay. So yeah, I think that is it, and it should be fairly simple for you to understand this short tutorial. Alright, so I'll meet you in next chapter discussing about customer addresses. Alright, but yeah, it's okay for today's tutorial. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.